I got caught in Panama City trying to buy some beer for some Georgia girls, and I got wore out by my daddy stealing cigarettes from the smokes and more. And all my friends get away, seems I get caught playing stay. I took the blame for every little thing. I got away with you. Somehow I still ain't been found out. Guess it's a crazy truth. Like I strolled out the gates of Alcatraz, I walked in the Louvre, and the Mona Lisa's hanging in my house. I burst out of Buckingham with a crown jewel. I got away with you. Well, looking like it do, this damn old should be a crown. Let alone a fool like me, hand in hand with you, should be doing time. Here we are, running three. Guess someone's turned the other cheek, 'cause there ain't no lights in the rear view. Guess I've got away with you. Somehow I still ain't been found out, and it's a crazy truth. Like I scrolled out the gates of Alcatraz, I walked in the Louvre, and now the Mona Lisa's hanging in my house. I bust out of Buckingham with a crown jewel. I got away with you. I took it all the fall and the fools, carriages and one phone calls. I'd do it over again if I had to, 'cause I got away with you. Somehow, girl, I still ain't been found out. It's a crazy truth. Like I strolled out the gates of Alcatraz, I walked in the Louvre, and now the Mona Lisa's hanging in my house. Bust out of Buckingham with a crown jewel. I got away with you. I got away with you. I got away with you. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers again with you. Sorry about the vocals, okay? I'm not really a country singer, okay? This was a request I had some time ago. I just got round to doing it now, catching up on my backlog. And it's a song called I Got Away With You by a gentleman called Luke Combs, or Combs, I don't know how to pronounce that, C-O-M-B-S, okay? I'm in standard tuning with no cappers, as you can see, and I'm doing it in the key of D. Luke Combs, plays it in D flat. He detunes his guitar by a whole note, okay? So that's why he appears to be playing it in D, but he's not. He's actually playing it in D flat, okay? But I've kept everything in standard tuning. We don't everybody detuning, do we? Unless you want to deliberately, okay? But if you need to play along with them, you have to detune your guitar, whole note, okay, all the strings, okay. So let's get to it. So it starts off with this little riff, very simple. Open 5th string, hammer up to the 2nd fret on the 5th string, open 4th string, and then we go into the D chord, and he does quite a lot of this first finger off and then hammering back on again business, okay. Then we go to a G and then to an A, okay. And the G chord, he generally plays it with 4 fingers, doubling up on the 2nd string and the top E string on the 3rd fret. Okay, 4-finger G. So a couple of those round and round twice. Then he goes into the verse, the first verse. I got caught in Panama City, G is a D, okay, G, trying to buy some A, beer for some Georgia, D, girls. Stay on D. I got wore out by my daddy, G, stealing cigarette, A, cigarettes and smokes, and D. Then he goes to a G, all my friends would get away. Then he goes back to the D, but he's got F sharp in the bass. So 2 ways of playing this. You can thumb over, 2nd fret, bottom E string. Okay, so it's a G, where it goes all my friends would get away. Seems like chords playing this day. The way I was playing it is this. I play my D chord with F sharp in the bass like this most of the time. I use my 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom E string. My 2nd finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and usually my pinky or my 3rd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. The 5th string and the 4th string are open, and I'm not playing the top E string. So 6 down to 2, okay? So that line where it comes out of that was smokes and more. All my friends would get away. That's that. Seems I get caught playing this day. And then we go back to a B minor. Okay, so seems my friends would get away. Seems like you're playing this day. Took the blame for every little thing. That's a D. That's a B minor. 2nd fret bar chord, B minor shape, to an A chord, to a G chord. So that's took the blame for every little thing. Okay, and it's the same for all the verses. All the verses play the same. Okay, so let's just go through this verse again. Well, I got caught in Panama City, trying to buy some beer for some Georgia girls. I got wore out by my daddy, stealing cigarettes and smokes and more. G, and all my friends would get away. D with F sharp in the bass. B minor, run down. Okay, now we go into the chorus. Okay, but I got away. But I got away is D. Away with you. G. Somehow I still A. Ain't been found D. Out. It's crazy truth. G. I just wrote A. How the girls to D. No drowns. I walked in the Louvre. G. And the Mona Lisa's A. Hanging in my D. I burst B minor out of backing A, and with a crown G, truth, and A, I got away with D. You intro. Just D, G and A, okay, twice. And then we go into the next verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse. Okay, so let's just do this chorus again. So coming out of I took the blame for every little thing from the first verse, but I got away with you. G to A. Same again. It's a crazy truth. G to A. Like I strolled out the gates after D rounds. And again, I walked in the Louvre, and the G, A, back to D. I burst B minor out of backing A, and with a crown, G, jewels, A, and I got away with D. Intro. Now we go to the second verse. Looking like you do, stammer should be a crime, let alone a fool like me, hand in hand with you should be doing time. G, running free, D with F sharp in the bass, kiss someone to the other cheek, B minor, da da da, A, blue lights in rear, G. Guess I gotta do another chorus here with you. So be paradise, crazy true, like a stroll out the gates of the train. I walked in blue, now the blue is hanging in my hand. I busted a bucking with a crown jewel, I got away with you. Now we go into the very short bridge section. G, I take it all falls. Right, so it's G. Coming out of that, I got away with you. Take it, G. All the thousand falls. D again. Country jails and one phone calls. B minor. Do it all. A again if I had G. 2. That's gotta go, and then it goes into the chorus again because I got away with you. Okay, so that coming out of that previous verse, and I got bust out of Buckingham, the crown jewels, I got away with you. I take it all, thousand rules, country jails and one phone calls. I do it all again if I had to, 'cause I got away with you. Off into a chorus again, okay? And that's the final chorus, and all you do at the end of the final chorus is repeat the last line, and I got away with you. So coming out, burst out of Buckingham, the crown jewels, and I got away with you. I got away with you. I got away with you. End the story. Well, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope that helps you play that song. It's quite a straightforward song, that one. If you can sing it, which I can't, but never mind. That's another story. Well, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Keep safe and well.